Hello guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a flip through of quite a big project I've been working on. They are 4 sets of traveller's notebooks. 3 are for note taking at the Be Courageous Convention that's taking place in Oslo in July. And then I've done 1 set which is actually a set of like a travel journal to go with one of the convention notebooks. I'm going to do a flip through of all 4 sets. I'll probably break the videos down. The first set I'm going to do is the Be Courageous Convention set of notebooks, which are quite highly decorated. Okay, I've done another 2 sets that are really quite plain, and then I'll also do the flip through of the traveller's sort of notebook journal. So the remit with this was going to be quite English because Tina really loves sort of Cath Kidston florals and wanted something to look a bit English country garden. So I've actually dismantled this set for now, so you can have a look and see. And what I've done with these is the convention's 3 days, and I've done a notebook, 1 for each day. Okay. So as you can see, what I managed to get hold of was a beautiful set of napkins that look sort of, they were charity shop jobbies for almost like a Cath Kidston style fabric. And the first one I've just sort of covered the notebook completely, and I've obviously done some sewing, the little collage there with a beautiful vintage bead, and the courage little embellishment there. And this is just a paper butterfly that I've tea dyed. Okay, so to start out with on that, just make sure I'm in. I've done it's actually lined with a beautiful rose paper which she chose. She liked that a lot, and I've actually lined it front and back, so it's actually the inside cover is that, and the flashcards with different phrases from the picked out from the program, front and back as well, and you'll find them throughout all the books, the books dotted around, a bit like that's inspired by Liz from Mrs. Cogg's Crafts. She does beautiful journals, real works of art, and she uses flashcards a lot and did a tutorial on it. I'll try and link it below that video so that you can actually have a look at what she does, but this is inspired by her, these little flashcards, which I've done, and she can pop anything else she wants in here as well. So I thought this little image here went really nicely with the rose theme, and you'll see little sort of English country garden images all the way through. I've done a variety of papers. I've just printed out the program. I have a little bit of stamping there. I don't know if you can see this lady here, like a vintage lady admiring her garden. So again, and I've just done a little with a paper edge cutter all the way through, and different types of paper, stamping, and little images, floral images from an old botanical book that I've got. It was all about English country gardens, I think. Washi in over some text, washi in little bits of paper. This is from a big memo sheet which I've cut down, and you'll see all the way through the book. Okay, so I had to be really disciplined with this and remember that it was primarily, although we wanted it to look nice, it was primarily for note taking at the convention. So I like the different types of papers, different sizes. Done a little bit of stamping there, that's like a big bouquet, and you'll see on the other side as well, botanical, and tea dyed, I think, with coffee dyed paper, stamping. That's a little paper chase thingy, I think. Down the centre of that, just this beautiful image And that's the centre of this one. That's the afternoon programme. Hold on, let me just move this back a little bit there. That's better. That's better, I think. Floral images again, just from a little botanical book. Bit of stamping, a little bit of lacy washi. And as I said, I tried not to do too much sewing in this, only because it's mainly for note taking. And although I do love lace, and I've been experimenting with collages and things, this wasn't quite the place. A little bit of interest. It flips out. That particular image, I think it's lovely. A little pocket there. If you. And so that was the first. That's the first of that series. So this was the Friday. The Saturday here I've done a tiny bit of the napkin, a bit of washi, and the Be Courageous. A little bit of lace on the craft, and I've actually just embellished this in the middle as well. I think that's the only one of that. And again, beautiful image. And I think, yeah, Saturday morning. So craft paper, a little bit of edge punching, a bit of washi, more of the flashcards, and just the quotes all the way through. Mrs. Cog does that, Liz does a lot of that, and it's lovely all the way through. This is a lovely note bird book that I've got. I've just put the one sheet in this, but I love it. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, different types of paper. A little bit of just a journal, not a journal, index card, I think that's called, is it? And coffee dye, that is, with a little bit of edge punching. Printed onto tracing paper. And this is one of my favourite stamps, actually. And I did, there's a little bit in the programme that's about experiences from different parts of the world, and so I decided to, I'm going to probably paperclip this in, but this is a napkin. I've done a tutorial on doing the napkin decoupage onto postcards, and I did it onto a page as well. It's a couple of pages, and that will just, you can just pin that in. We'll pin it in. There you go. That's been moved about or taken out. That's a beautiful painting from the middle signature, middle of that signature. That's the afternoon. That's the other page. I'll be like that on the craft paper. A bit of tracing paper. I just like the feel of that. A bit of German note taking there. That's the other side of that bird image. I think I might actually have some of these. My Etsy shop hopefully will be opening soon, and I think I shall take some pages out and make little kits. I think little with some of these beautiful images. A bit of Daphne's diary there. So I've done probably about 50 pages all in all for the note taking for each day. So that's Saturday. Sunday, there we go, I've taken this. Again, that's covered all with the napkin and sewn in, and I've done pockets on back and front for bits and bobs. Another one of the tea-dyed butterflies. I'm really pleased with how that's turned out, really pleased indeed. The programme, and basically the scripture that one of the theme scriptures printed onto tracing paper, popped in. I think I've done that twice in this one. I don't know if you can see the beautiful butterfly, kind of delicate butterfly stamp there. I think I did mainly butterfly stamping in this one. Another one of the beautiful bird pages. I love the blues and the greens. that. And I did the stamping all the way through the centre, so that goes to each side of the page. Lined paper, stamping, craft paper, more stamping in the middle there. Tea dye, love that. Love that. And that's very English country garden on that one. I've left the ties quite short here, didn't want to be too fussy. The afternoon notes program. There you go. Just different types of paper, as you can see. I love this. Beautiful colours. Beautiful botanical book that I picked up. And that's the other side of that third page. Really love that. So the side that's scripture page. This is a bit of Daphne's diary from the paper pack, which I really loved. The roses and the sort of old-fashioned nut as well. So this is, out of the 3 sets of notes, this is the most highly decorated. These are really quite plain in comparison. But there you go. So that's the 3 for the Be Courageous. That's the first one. I won't pop that back in. And what I'm going to do now is I'll end that video, and so it doesn't make it too long. I will do the travel journal to go with that particular set. So what will happen is that you can use the travel journal and then swap them out for the convention notes as she pleases. So see you in a mo. If this is the only video you watch out of this series, that's fine. Just remember, if you like what you see, please leave a comment below, subscribe. I'll try and leave the link to the Mrs. Cogs Crafts video about the flashcards, because it's really informative, and she's got some lovely work to do. Right, that's it guys. See you soon. Bye.